Naalala ko nung bata ako, as a sort of a prize, I suppose, for doing well in school. Dinala niya ako sa Green Hills para bumili ng isang computer game. Very rare occasion yun, as in isang beses lang nangyari yun, so naalala ko hanggang ngayon. She's courageous. She's gone through a lot of challenges in life, both personal, political also, and she keeps very active with her advocacies and what she believes in, and that rubs off on our family and me as well. Dahil sa kanyang malasakit sa lipunan, maaga pa lang natutunan ko ng alamin kung ano yung mga nagaganap at kausapin din yung mga karaniwang tao. At tingin ko, trabaho din ng isang mamamayan. So, doon ako nakakuha ng sa kanya, ng inspiration and guidance. I think it's her domestic skills are underrated kasi hindi talaga siya lumaki na in a traditional household, meaning may mga traditional roles sa mga kababaihan na kailangan nagluluto, naglalaba, naglilinis. So hindi talaga siya ganun eh. At alam namin lahat yon. Pero ngayong mas matanda na ako, alam ko that she also did her best. And without her, our home would not be as organized as it is. Bakasyon, palagay ko, she could always use some relaxation time. Siyempre kasama kami doon, so be time well spent.